Hey guys, here the night after posting our last video. I just want to go through kind of what we have. Ryzen 7 5800. I think it's the XT. There's our motherboard. That's not what we're using. That one goes in another PC, which that's just junk. Here is our motherboard. I've been covering it with that so that it doesn't get, I know it's upside down and there's a lot of glare. But that's that. There's a power supply, it's 500, and that's installed underneath. That's our graphics card, that guy. Okay, and then this was our new project tonight. I just got this in the mail today, and that's what we're running for our RAM right now, because our motherboard only supports 2 slots. So I went with the 2 16 gigabytes, which I mean it's pretty, that's decent for what I'm running for my CPU and GPU and motherboard. Now down the road I may upgrade my motherboard, obviously. But so then I installed those. Oh, I hate touching this thing. So okay, so that's the Vengeance. And I've heard good things from them. But so now I'm just waiting on my paste for the cooler, which is still in its box. So then we'll install that when I get the paste. And then I'm gotta order the SSD, the M.2. Probably gonna go just right now, starting out with the kids. Probably gonna go with a 1 terabyte. And then upgrade down the road. And then I just got to get my operating system of Windows 11, which our motherboard supports. So yeah, so there's where we are. We did that tonight, and we are getting back to it, guys. We're so close right now. All right, well, thank you for watching, and subscribe and like. Thanks a lot. Talk to you later. Bye.